Today in math, we are looking at the symbol of pi. This is the symbol of pi. And remember what we said a pi is. So a pi, we said this is the ratio of two distances. There is one distance which is around the circle and the other one is across. So the one around, this is the circumference, and the one across is the diameter. So what are we saying? We are saying pi is equal to the circumference over diameter. Now we want to look at what the circumference is. So what I'm going to do is I'll write pi again there is equal to circumference over diameter over 1. I would like to make C as the subject of the formula. So you cross multiply. C times 1, this is C, which is equal to pi times D, which is diameter. So circumference is equal to pi D. So we are looking at this today. The circumference is equal to pi D. So we have a question. So these are the questions that we are having. It says, find the circumference of each of the circles below. Take pi, that's the symbol of pi, as 3.14. Number one, this is a circle. So you realize that this is the center. So any line from the center going to any point around the circle is called the diameter. So this is the diameter. But what we were looking at, remember we said the circumference is equal to pi d, or pi times d. D is the diameter. So we'll write number one, circumference is equal to pi times d. Circumference is equal to pi. So our pi, we are told here, take pi as 3.14. So we come down here, pi, instead of writing pi there, we write what we are told, 3.14 times diameter. Now this here is the radius. I remember that we once looked at saying diameter is equal to radius plus radius, because diameter starts from this point going to pass through the center to the other point, that is diameter, but half of diameter is radius. Here we are given radius, so it means diameter there, the radius we are given is 6 centimeters plus radius is 6 centimeters. So our diameter is equal to 6 plus 6, which is 12 centimeters. This is the diameter that we are going to write here, 12. Circumference is equal to, we multiply. What are we multiplying? We are saying 3.14 times 12. 2 times 4, that is 8. 2 times 1, that is 2. 2 times 3, that is 6. We start looking at 1, so we put a 0 here. 1 times 4, 4. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 3, 3. We add. This is going to be 8 when we add 6, when we add 7, when we add 3. We get back here, how many decimal places? 1, 2. So how many decimal places? 1, 2. So we put a point there. Our answer is going to be 37.68 centimeters. So this is the circumference. So we look at the next one. This one here, We have a circle. Now, this whole lot, a line from this point on the circle passing through the center to the circle again there, this is diameter. So what are we saying? We are saying circumference is equal to pi times d. D is diameter. Circumference is equal to pi 3.14 times diameter. Now, this is the diameter, 7. So 7 centimeters. So we come here to say circumference is equal to, we multiply them. So what are we multiplying? 3.14 times, what is this number here? Times 7. So 7 times 4, that is 28, carry the 2. 7 times 1, 7, plus 2, 9. 7 times 3, 21. How many decimal places? 1, 2. So 1, 2. So put a decimal point there. So our answer is equal to 21.98 centimeters. So this is the answer. So thank you very much and God bless you.